What transpired when Tinubu'S Chicago University classmates stormed U.S. court to testify? Welcome to the news and thank you for tuning in to listen. Please subscribe to our channel. The ongoing legal dispute between President Bola Tinubu and former Vice President Atiku Abubakar regarding Tinubu's academic records from Chicago State University has taken a new turn. Olajide Adeniji, who claims to be former classmate of the ex-Lagos governor, has sworn an oath attesting to his knowledge of Tinubu. Adeniji testified in the United States District Court, affirming that he not only knew Tinubu but also contested against him for the position of president of the Accounting Society Club at the Department of Business Administration or Accounting in their alma mater. This development follows another claim made 2 weeks prior by public affairs analyst Durojaye Ogunsoya, who stated that he was a classmate of a Nigerian president. Ogunsoya, appearing on TVC's Popular Morning Show this morning, attested that both he and Tinubu graduated from the Department of Accounting and Business Administration in 1979 at the same university. In an affidavit sworn on September 23rd at the Northern District of Illinois Court in Chicago, Adeniji affirmed his familiarity with Tinubu, who is currently serving as Nigeria's president. His affidavit read, and I quote, "I, Olajide Adeniji, after having been first duly sworn upon oath, do hereby state that I am over 21 years of age, that I have personal knowledge of the facts stated herein, and could competently testify thereto if called upon to do so. I attended Chicago State University, Chicago, Illinois from 1977 to 1979, where I graduated with a degree in Business Administration and Accounting in 1979. I am familiar with Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who is now the President of Nigeria. I was a student at the Chicago State University from 1977 to 1979, and Bola Tinubu and I were in the same course of study. I also ran a closely contested race against Bola Tinubu for the leadership of Accounting Society Club of the Department of Business Administration and Accounting. I also recognize and know the person who I attended Chicago State University with. Bola Ahmed Tinubu is the same person who is now the President of Nigeria. Pursuant to 28 U.S.C. 1746, I declare under the penalty of perjury that the foregoing is true and correct. Atiku successfully obtained an application for Chicago State University to disclose the academic records of President Tinubu to his legal team. Following his application, Magistrate Jeffrey Gilbert issued an order directing Tinubu's former university to provide all pertinent and non-privileged documents to Atiku's team within a span of 2 days. Atiku is presently contesting the victory of the ex-governor of Lagos State in the 2023 presidential election, as well as the recent confirmation of this victory by an election petition court in Nigeria. The document requested by the People Democratic Party candidate through his representative, Angela Liu, encompassed details like admission and acceptance record at the university, dates of attendance, degrees earned, awards, and honors received by Tinubu during his tenure at the university, among other information. However, on Monday, Tinubu implored the U.S. District Judge Nancy Maldonado to instruct Chicago State University to safeguard his confidential data, such as admission records, transcripts, and gender-related information, and to only release his certificate to the legal team of the former Vice President and Atiku Abubakar. This motion to limit access to other documents was submitted by the President's attorney, Christopher Kamkel, who emphasized that the most crucial fact has already been distinctly and unequivocally established by Tinubu's alma mater. Well, this particular case, they don't spend. To be very sincere with you, they don't spend, both parties don't, but they don't tell them, but still yet they don't want. Why does it take the school so long to release the document, Tinubu? It means the school do not keep proper records of students. That makes it fake. Which is more important, and credible, your testimony or the testimony of the school you claim both of you attended. Rather, join to plead with the university to release its papers because you are definitely sure. Now, the thing is, this young man here, the thing is, this thing will be say they go on, baby saying Atiku they drag Tinubu, makes Tinubu just get set because it be as he gets. My own is, even if Tinubu has somebody from there, that's the first person. All right. Chicago confirms previous ruling. Orders Chicago State University to release all academic records of Bola Tinubu within 48 and testify an oath. My dear, what would they see now? What would they see? Let's see what is inside this place. All right. What we need is Tinubu's, not fake classmates. Okay. CSO should have a copy of their identity certificate for comparison with Tinubu. All right. CSO should have a copy of identity certificate for comparison with Tinubu's. Really? Look, I know somebody who we both graduated together but could not collect a certificate due to problem he had in school for back then. I can swear I know that we attended the same school and graduated together, which is true, but I cannot swear I know the authenticity of a certificate, rather the school should do so. You don't understand. This is far beyond what you are saying. Far, far beyond. So we are waiting for CSU to do so to Tinubu, and they must do it and stop the image of the school. All right, so is the need this back and forth instead of the Chicago State University to release the academic record? Let this man identity